Hey everyone, I'm Rohan from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to delete your resume from Indeed. Removing your resume can help you manage your profile visibility and control your information on the platform. So, let's get started on how to delete your resume from Indeed. Start by opening the Indeed app on your device. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now, from the menu, select Profile. In the profile settings, find the CV section. If you have already built a CV on Indeed, it will be displayed here. Tap on the CV to open it. Tap the three dots icon at the top right corner and select Delete. Confirm by tapping Delete again. And that's how you can delete resume from Indeed. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos.